Right, today we're going to cook honey roast carrots and parsnips in the Ninja or in an air fryer. Prepare your veg, try and get them all about the same size, pop them into some water and bring to the boil. Right, we've brought these to the boil and now turn them down, let them simmer for 2 minutes and then you turn the gas off or electric off. Okay, so you don't want them to be too long because they go too soft and then they'll just fall apart. Now you leave them for 1 minute in their boiled water. So drain your water off. I drain mine off into a jug because that's going to be the base for my gravy in a minute. So in a bowl or dish we put garlic oil. You can use oil, whatever you fancy, it doesn't have to be garlic oil. A little bit of honey and just a couple of drops of soy. I think that was more than 2 drops, but that looks good. Right, I've added just a touch more oil to make it a bit more gloopy. And get our pot, put them in and coat them all over. Whoops! That one's half a one, that's for you. So there we go, in the air fryer. It's lovely. Right, pop them in. So the air fryer's on. Running out on air fry, but I'm going to bring the temperature down because we don't want them to burn, because once they've got the honey on they cook and brown off very quickly. And they're coming along nicely. Now they can definitely go, going up a little bit on temperature. So I'm going to turn the temperature up a little bit. Oh, not that much. Okay, they've taken 20 minutes. You can carry on cooking them if you want to, but that's just how we like them. Right, are you ready for the taste test?
Just taste, just a teeny bit here. Right, I don't want to ruin my dinner. Looks nice, it's hot. So. Wow. Beautiful. Good.
All our videos, Derriton 33. Thanks for watching.